Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're putting two heavyweights head to head, Minea and Winning Hunter. Let's dive into their features, pricing and overall value to help you decide which one deserves your investment. First up, Minea. Minea markets itself as an all-in-one solution with a strong focus on finding winning products by analyzing ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. It's ideal if you want to know what's trending right now. On the other hand, Winning Hunter emphasizes a more straightforward product research approach, focusing on ease of use and access to a massive database of winning products across various niches. Minea give you access to ad spy tools, live product tracking, and even influencer research. This is great if you want detailed insights into what products are performing well and how to market them effectively. Meanwhile, Winning Hunter shines with its simplicity. Its curated product list save time, especially for beginners, but it doesn't provide the same level of ad intelligence or influencer tools that Minea does. When it comes to pricing, Minea is a bit pricier due to its advanced features, but you get incredible value if you are scaling your store. Winning Hunter, however, is budget friendly and perfect for newcomers, but remember, you get what you pay for. Fewer features compared to Minea, so which tool should you choose? If you're serious about scaling and want a full set of research tools, Minea is a clear winner. But if you're a beginner or need a no-frills tool to start finding products, Winning Hunter is a great pick. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.